Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Cancers. For your daily energies Cancers, we are picking few cards. For your career situation and relationship, we'll be picking one card each guys. So these are for your daily energies Cancers, one card for your relationship and one card for your career situation. So let's start with your daily reading Cancers and we'll open these cards as we proceed, guys. Seven of Cups in reverse, Eight of Cups, Judgment in reverse. So, with these cards, guys, in your situation, Cancers, you are changing the ways you are thinking, guys. Maybe your focus is on something else today, Cancers. Maybe towards some kind of a spiritual development. You are focused on something. You are not concerned about how things are proceeding in your situation, your career or personal life. You are changing your focus on something else. Maybe for some of you, you may be taking up some spiritual practices today, something that gives you peace and happiness. And I also see that uh, maybe for some of you there are certain things worrying you, maybe lot of mental stress, maybe there because of how things are going for you. So you just want to take time, guys. Take time for yourself, have that peace of mind. So maybe you're taking up to these spiritual practices or some kind of belief where you find comfort in that belief, guys. But in certain things you are happy. You are happy because of some beginning that is coming up. You are tasting success in some new beginnings also, guys. Maybe some projects or some business deals, whatever it is, you are seeing that success coming in your way. I'm happy for that, Cancers. So let us see what are these cards for your relationship first. Ace of Pentacles. So with this card, guys, with this person, they are very, what to say, they are in a good position in life, and they are least bit bothered about what you feel or what you think, and they have a way of dealing their situation, maybe um, quite arrogant in dealing with people in their situation, and they may be behaving the same way with you. So you may see that as some kind of what to say, abuse of power. Maybe so the way they are trying to control you and influence you, trying to dominate you. Though in this connection you may have that love and understanding with this person, maybe certain things are not right, you feel. So some kind of stress is there in this connection, guys. So let us see what is the card for your career, Cancers. It's Eight of Wands in reverse. So with this card for your career situation, guys, you would have done some mistakes, guys, in your career, some kind of um, maybe when you're making some important decisions. So something is troubling you today, Cancers. So you are feeling extremely guilty for how things are proceeding today. Maybe it is your mistake you feel, and there are people in your situation, they are also quite jealous of you. So you need to be really careful, guys, with those people. So if you feel that someone is not to be trusted, you have that intuition about someone, you need to stay away from them, guys. That is what I see with these cards. Cancers, that is a reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.